In this video, we'll go over solution number 78985 about using the txtconfig in NetVault Backup. It's the text editor for configuring NetVault. The txtconfig tool is handy in instances where you're unable to access a NetVault GUI version of the NetVault configurator. In this example, we're using a Windows machine. First step is to navigate to the tool, to the executable. You can do it through the Windows Explorer window or use the command line. I'll start by using the command line. We navigate to the NetVault home directories. The tool exists in the NetVault bin directory. And then you can just type txtconfig. When you launch the txtconfig, you'll come into the Machine tab, which gives you information about the IP address, the operating system, the version of NetVault, its NetVault machine name. From here, you type the letter P, which stands for pages, to see the rest of the options. So on this screen, you can see there's 25 options to choose from. We started on Machine tab. That's the one it opens into. If you don't see 25 options here, if you only see the first 4, that means you're not logged in as administrator. So you'd want to log out of your command line window and log back into it as an administrator. But as you can see here, you have 25 options. These are equivalent to what you would see in the GUI NetVault configurator. So from here, let's say for example, you wanted to configure a firewall setting. Firewall in this case is number 9. So click number 9. And here is where you can enter your port ranges. So options 1 through 7. In most cases, you need to enter the port ranges on each one. So if I click 1, it's asking me to enter the new value. So let's say I'm going to enter 20,031, which is where NetVault default port ranges start, to 20,061. And you do that on the rest of the options. And then you would click on the S, type in the letter S for save, to save the changes that you made. And when you're done, if you want to go back to the list and edit more options, you type the letter P again. And let's look at another example. Let's look at Network Manager. So that's 17. On this one, you can choose from timeouts or connections. Let's say you want to enter a preferred IP address. So I'm going to enter the number 2. And then I can enter the number 2 here. And enter a preferred IP address. Now, if I don't want to enter a preferred IP address, I can just do quit. And that takes me back. And I can do quit again. And I don't want to save the changes, so no. So that took me back out completely of txtconfig. So I can always go back in. So basically the options are P for pages, S to save your changes, and Q for quit. So P, and then you choose any option you want to go in and change. Make sure you hit the S to save your changes, and then Q for quit. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video on the NetVault TXT configurator tool. Please feel free to visit our website at quest.com for more videos and knowledge base articles on the NetVault product line, as well as other Quest products. Thank you.